Now let's do borrowing tens and hundreds. Now see, we have to subtract 2375 from 4527. So let's subtract it. We know that we always start from ones place digit. So what is 7 minus 5? Yes, it is 2. Now let's see tens place digit. Here it is 2 minus 7. Is it possible, students? No, it is not possible. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. So what we will do? We will borrow 100 from 5. So it will become 12 tens and 5 will reduce to 4. Now we can subtract 7 from 12. Okay, so what is 12 minus 7? Yes, it is 5. Now let's go to hundreds place digit. What is 4 minus 3? Yes, it is 1. And now let's subtract thousands place digit. So what is 4 minus 2? Yes, it is 2. So our answer is 2152. Now let's do the second one. Now we have to subtract 2785 from 5930. Now let's again start from ones place digit. So is it possible to subtract 5 from 3? No, it is not possible. So it will borrow 110 from here. So it will become 13 and 1 will reduce to 0. Okay. Now see what is 13 minus 5. Yes, students? Yes, it is 8. Now let's subtract tens place digit. Now here it is 0. Here it is 8. So is it possible to subtract 8 from 0? No, it is not possible. Again, it will borrow 100 from 9. So it will become 10 and 9 will reduce to 8. Okay. Now see what is 10 minus 8. It is 2. Now let's subtract 100 place digit. What is 8 minus 7? Yes, it is 1. Now let's subtract thousands place digit. Now what is 5 minus 2? Yes, it is 3. So our answer is 3128.